Welcome back to the channel. Give me a like and subscribe as we look at the LED lights on the rear of the RK25 tractor. Hello everybody. What do you think of all the dark? You get home from work and it's just completely dark out. It's the most wonderful time of the year, right? That's what they tell us. There is one reason why it is the most wonderful time of the year, but it's not because of the weather. Because of Jesus. Anyhow, I am here today because I want to show you something that happened on my tractor. Yeah, you're saying, Bryce, why are you always pointing out things wrong with your tractor? Well, because it's just the way it is. And I like to see if I can offer a solution. So the other day, I noticed that when I turned my tractor on, of course I still don't have my fuel gauge working right, but I noticed that when I turn my lights on, okay, my headlights are on, you can see that, and one of my tail lights is on, but the other one's not. So I started looking, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but what looks like a computer cable has come undone right here. See that? Right there? And that's what actually plugs into the light, but instead of plugging into the back of the light, it seems to be plugged on the inside of the light. So we're going to see if we can get that back into that and see what that's going to take. I noticed I went to see if I could just buy one online, but I don't think there's anything broke with it. It's just came out. So if this happens to you and you have a modern tractor with the LED lights on it, maybe this will help you too. First thing we're going to do is there's actually two screws that take out the back, or two nuts. I already undid it just to see if I could take it apart. And they actually look like this. So this is what the back side of the RK25 light looks like. And the plug and the wire harness is supposed to come through here, not be hanging down, which is what it was doing. So I was looking at it, and I actually don't see any damage on that either. So the wire should go through here. And there's even the weather grommet right there. And that would snap in. So I think it may have just got caught on something, or was just loose. So there are three nuts on here that actually come loose. Two of them I loosened. The third one, the plastic just pulled out. So okay, that should actually be inside the plastic. And once you have that, there's the light housing. And the LEDs are actually all in there and they seem just fine. If we go and see if we can, look at that, it popped off. Okay. And look at that. You look down in here and you can actually see the wire connector. It actually looks like what you'd see on a computer motherboard. Let's see if we can just take that apart. Now before we go to all the work of assembling it all back together, designed by D&C Technologies, stop tail vent lamp, made in October 22nd of 2020. Let's just plug it in and see. You can see we still got headlights on. What happens if we just plug the light fixture in? My fingers are cold. Give me a little more wire room. Hey, it works. So it just came unplugged. That means we can just okay, still looks pretty clean inside. Yeah, that's how it went. Okay. So we need to plug, we actually have to do most of this work over here, including this, right? Unless we can find a way to unplug the whole wire harness on the other side. Which I don't think that's gonna happen. Goodness, I can't figure out how this goes. Okay, so this goes like that. Couple of notches right there that it fits on. And we come back and there are, let's see here, several notches, 3 notches that will fit into the 3 notches on here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it'll come back. And we're going to use some hot glue sealant. Hot glue to see if we can make sure it holds together. Okay, let's make sure it still works. And it does. Okay, the weather sealer will go in. Okay, seal is back in. Now your plastic fits onto the plastic slots right there and right there. Okay. Now we're putting on the nuts here. It's definitely easier to do it when your fingers aren't froze. Okay, we got the 3 nuts back on. Let's check and see if it works still. And it does. We're getting closer. 2 nuts left to put on. The last 2 nuts, you can't really see, but they go on here. you slide it like that, and you know now it's right in the right place. These actually weren't tighter than finger tight. Okay, so right there is those two nuts. We are having our Christmas special start on Saturday night at 5 p.m. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell right now. Okay, well that is how we fixed our other light. That's the second light we've had to fix actually on here. I don't think it's anything to do with RK or anybody else. I think sometimes that just happens. I'm glad it wasn't broke. It just came disconnected on the inside. I was actually surprised I was able to get inside of the light fixture, but I was able to. And hopefully it lasts a long time. My dad is sick, so I ask for prayers right now. I also want to show you my new grandson, Kirill. We welcome him into this world. Take care. God bless. Have a great day.